Welcome back to day 3 of our flamenco drills challenge for experienced dancers. So if you're a new beginner, please go back to the other track of videos that are meant for you. If you're an experienced dancer, welcome back. If you have not taken any of the other classes yet or seen any of the other videos, please start from the very beginning because those will help you as we progress each day. All right? So we have been working in using the Rolling Golpe technique, which is flat heel, heel, flat heel, heel, flat heel, heel, or golpe, tacón, tacón, golpe, tacón, tacón. And we've been working in the rhythm, in the palo of Solea por Bulería. And we know that compás, number one, that we know that the compás is everything, that we need to have that compás inside of us. So, because that's like the driving force of flamenco, the heartbeat of flamenco. So at any point that we feel kind of confused by all this movement that's going on and out of control, you want to just take a deep breath and just, get back into that compás. Where is that 12? Okay? And then we are also working in Solea por Bulería. And we know that this palo is aggressive. It's like dancing on shards of glass. It's rather sharp. And so even though we're doing footwork, right, you still want to have that attitude, that energy while you're dancing, when you're doing the footwork drills, using the guitar music in Solea por Bulería, because the feeling is going to be completely different than if we were doing that same technique in Alegrías or that same technique in Guajira. Each rhythm, each palo has its own energy, and you want to bring that, okay? Now, the final thing that I want to talk about before we begin our drills is having that courage to stand up and be seen. And I know it kind of feels kind of like, well, what are you talking about? We're just doing footwork drills, Rina. I mean that even just like, being here, pursuing your passion, because obviously like you love flamenco just like I do, and you want to be able to dance and express yourself and feel confident and passionate. And when you see videos of yourself dancing, that you want to think like, ole, I look amazing. But, every time you look at yourself, it's not always going to be amazing. So I want you to have that courage to not only express yourself, right, and to allow yourself to express yourself. I want you to have the courage to to be non-judgmental, right? Because, it's an art form, and, we as artists tend to be emotional. So we want to at least send ourselves some love as we watch ourselves, as we watch others, that we're not judging others for their mistakes as well, that we want to dance with compassion, act with compassion towards ourselves, towards others. And I know, okay, Rina, this is just like for footwork, but still, even with the footwork of I don't understand the compás, I can't, my feet won't cooperate. Take a deep breath, and that's okay, because we love flamenco, we love the process of flamenco, so there's no end goal. There's no it's not like learning how to ride a bike where you got it once and you're good. With flamenco, it's a process. And it's just like learning a language, learning a musical instrument. So you're not going to learn it all in one day. So you just enjoy the practice, enjoy the practice, enjoy the practice. So with that, let's start enjoying our practice right now. We're going to go into splitting that compás. Okay, so when I say split the compás, I mean we're going syncopated on the beat. Syncopated on the beat. So it's going to start off with 12 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the speed does not pick up. It's all the same speed. Like my palmas are all going the same, but you're doing the syncopated time and then on the beat time. You split that compás. So again, one more time, and 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right? So let's work on that using solo compás at 110. Okay, here we go. 7, 8, 9, 10, and 12, 3, 6, 8, 10. So get those heels up. Accent. Last one. 6, 8, 10. Left. Last one. 6, 8, 10. Now we're going to go quiet. Quiet. So you still have to articulate the sound and have accents, but quiet. 3, 4, 8, 10, 12. And close. Left. Now loud. 8, 10. Let's go faster with the guitar. Okay, you ready? Okay, here we go. 7, 8, 9, 10, and and breathe. Left. And accent. 8, 10, 12. 3, 6, 8, 10, 12. 3. Okay, arms. So we're going to go soft, hard, soft, hard, soft, hard, soft, left. So when it gets, when you start getting tired, you need to take a deep breath in and release. All right, let's continue. Next compás. Here we go with arms. 7, 8, 9, 10. Left. Good job. That's a tough one. Especially like the longer you do it, like it's one thing to do it just for 2 compasses and you're done, but the longer you do it, you know, the fatigue starts setting in, and then also at the higher, the faster tempo, you know, you have to like control it, right? So remember, if anything, if it starts getting too complicated to control, anything up here, keep your hands on your hips, really focus on those accents, and at least you can think in your head that sound that you want. Ole, ole. All right, so what I want you to do now is practice, practice, practice. Practice along with me. Practice on your own using solo compás. The slower, the better. The faster you can go, the better. It's all good as long as it's all controlled and then you feel that Solea por Bulería aggression. Ole, ole. So practice, and then please record your practice session and post it in the Facebook group. So we are going to give you lots of jaleos, lots of support, and then you will be eligible for one of our lovely prizes of a free membership to the Online Flamenco Studio. All right, so I will see you in the next video when we combine it all together. So it's going to be amazing and great, so be ready for it. And I will see you next time. Adios.